how to install Node.js in GoDaddy. So here what we want to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right corner and go into My Products. Now from the products page, you will need to have purchased a web hosting subscription. So if you have purchased a web hosting subscription, you should see this section. Click on it, find your plan here and click on Manage. Now once we have loaded this page, we will select cPanel Admin, which is going to load up a new page with all of our cPanel settings here. We want to go into Applications, and here we will just search for Node.js. After you find Node.js, the install process is very simple. We will just click on, I'll just show you with this random application. You just want to click on Node.js and then you click on Install Application, and this is going to add this to your GoDaddy website, and it should be like this. I hope it helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.